This 1973 Ford Ranchero isn't your average classic truck. It's a full-blown Restomod with a fire-breathing 6.0 LV8, modern suspension, and show-stopping style, and it can be yours for just $34,000. Get ready to see a classic reborn like you've never seen before. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, you're about to witness one of the most jaw-dropping Restomods on the planet, the 1973 Ford Ranchero, like you've never seen it before. I promise you this isn't your grandfather's Ranchero. This is a perfect blend of classic American muscle, modern performance, and high-end craftsmanship, and it's available today for $34,000. Buckle up, because this ride is a full sensory experience. From the moment you lay eyes on this Ranchero, the first thing you notice is the flawless red with pearl white paint. It's the kind of finish that glows under sunlight and pops under showroom lights. The attention to detail is astonishing. The lines, the curves, the subtle touches of chrome, it all screams timeless Americana with a modern twist. And it's not just a paint job. Every inch of this Restomod was crafted with precision to honor the original while elevating it into a high-performance masterpiece. Under the hood is where the magic really begins. This Ranchero is powered by a 6.0 Vortec V8 engine, meticulously balanced and blueprinted to deliver smooth, reliable power without compromising that deep, intoxicating V8 rumble. Unlike stock engines from the 70s, this Vortec is paired with fuel injection, giving you precise throttle response and modern drivability. The engine breathes through ceramic-coated headers, which not only improve performance but also provide that aggressive exhaust note that muscle car lovers crave. Paired with a 4-speed automatic 4L65E transmission, this Ranchero shifts like a dream. Whether you're cruising down the boulevard or hitting the highway, every gear change is smooth, every acceleration is immediate, and every drive feels effortless. The 9-inch rear end ensures maximum traction, while front and rear sway bars and Bilstein rear shocks keep this truck glued to the road. No body roll, no compromise. This is a Restomod that handles corners like a modern sports car, yet still gives you the commanding presence of a classic truck. Stopping power is just as impressive as performance. This Ranchero comes with power disc brakes, giving you the confidence to push this beauty to its limits without hesitation. And speaking of confidence, the aluminum radiator with electric fans keeps the engine cool even under spirited driving, while the Hollywood Hot Rod's aluminum gas tank and custom remote gas filler ensure safety and convenience are never overlooked. Let's talk wheels and stance, because this is where the visual transformation hits its peak. Sitting on 15-inch Centerline wheels wrapped in 235/60 R15 BFG front tires and 255/60 R15 BFG rear tires. This Ranchero has the perfect balance of aggressive muscle car presence and refined street-ready performance. The spray and bed liner adds both practicality and style, giving the truck bed a clean, durable look while protecting it from the elements. Step inside and you're greeted with a tan and beige vinyl interior, complete with Lexus SC300 power seats. It's a perfect fusion of vintage charm and modern luxury. Every detail inside this cabin is designed for comfort and functionality, from the seating to the ergonomically placed controls. Whether you're cruising across town or heading out on a weekend road trip, you're surrounded by materials and features that make every drive an experience to remember. But the 1973 Ford Ranchero Restomod isn't just about performance or looks, it's about the lifestyle. This is a vehicle that turns heads wherever it goes. Picture yourself at a car show, at a weekend cruise, or even just rolling down your street. People will stop, stare, and ask, "Where did you get that?" The combination of classic 70s lines, modern mechanical upgrades, and show quality paint makes this Ranchero a statement vehicle, a conversation starter, and an investment in automotive craftsmanship. Now let's talk value. You might be thinking a Restomod this detailed, with all these modern upgrades, would cost 6 figures. But right now, this beauty can be yours for $34,000. That's right, less than the price of some new trucks. You get a fully restored, high-performance, head-turning, one-of-a-kind 1973 Ford Ranchero that blends vintage muscle with modern reliability. For anyone who wants the thrill of classic American engineering with today's technology, this is an opportunity you don't want to miss. miss. And let's not forget the driving experience. This isn't a trailer queen, this is a driver's Ranchero. The engine responds instantly, the suspension hugs every curve, and the brakes give you the confidence to push it hard. The sound alone will give you chills. The growl of the V8, the hiss of the headers, the roar of a classic muscle car fully alive. Every drive is cinematic, every moment behind the wheel unforgettable. This Ranchero is more than just a car. It's a statement, a passion project, a rolling piece of automotive art. Whether you're a classic car collector, a muscle car enthusiast, or someone looking for a truck that stands apart from the crowd, this 1973 Ford Ranchero Restomod delivers in every category. From the balanced and blueprinted Vortec V8 to the custom interior ceramic-coated headers and centerline wheels, every detail has been carefully selected and executed to provide maximum enjoyment, style, and reliability. And if you're looking to combine the timeless style of the 70s, the performance of a modern muscle car, and the luxury of a fully upgraded interior, this Ranchero is exactly what you've been dreaming of. And at $34,000, it's one of the most attainable Restomods with this level of craftsmanship on the market today. But opportunities like this move fast, and a truck this clean, this well built, and this powerful won't sit on the market for long. So if you're ready to make a statement, own a piece of automotive history, and drive something that commands attention wherever it goes, this 1973 Ford Ranchero Restomod is calling your name. Red with pearl white perfection, a high output 6.0L Vortec V8, modern suspension and brakes, luxury interior, and head turning style, all for $34,000. Don't wait. This isn't just a Restomod, it's an experience, a thrill, and a masterpiece all rolled into one. Trust me, once you drive it, there's no going back. Hit the link below, schedule your test drive, and take home a piece of American muscle history with a modern twist.